Hi, I'm Seb and this is my day in the life of a journalism student here at the University of Sheffield. My day looks like this. Don't forget breakfast, breaking the fast. So I'm here all set up ready for my masterclass session this morning. In previous weeks we've had Miriam Walker-Card from the BBC as well as some writers from places such as the New York Times who have been speaking to us online. Today it's John Birchall from the Lad Bible. He's a creative media director and I'm very excited to hear what he has to say. I've just finished my masterclass with John Birchall from the Lad Bible. Some great information shared and some great advice offered as well. Now I'm heading up to the Wave for my media law lecture. I'm just waiting for my friend Adam and then we're ready to head up to the Wave. This is the IC, Information Commons. It's a university library and often you can find me studying in there for some exams. This is Weston Park. This can be used as a cut through to head up towards the Wave. I often come here just for a little bit of fresh air. Got lots of green space and a very nice pond as well. So I'm here waiting ready for my media law lecture. This takes place in the Wave, which is where most teaching in the department takes place. Today's lecture is on contempt of court and also inquest, and so far I find it really exciting, so I'm looking forward to see what this lecture is all about. So I've just had my lecture, very interesting. Now pop to the Wave Cafe for a bite to eat and a catch up with friends. Thank you mate, cheers. I've just been on the phone to BBC Radio Sheffield offering my predictions and preview of the Barnes game this evening. I'm going 2-0 to the Reds. What are your Saturday plans everybody? Coming up to Halloween season, although the weather is starting to get a little bit colder, I had to take my big coat. I'm all finished here at the Wave, now I'm headed down to the Students' Union building. I'm at the Students' Union building and I'm about to head up to the Media Hub. I'm here at the Forge Radio Studio here in the Media Hub at the Students' Union building. I'm co-presenting with Lewis on the For the Record show live on Forge. So we've just finished our show in the Forge Radio Studio. Now me and Seb are doing some planning for a podcast recording tomorrow. That's it, that's my day in the life of a journalism student here at the University of Sheffield. I hope you've enjoyed all the content and seen what I've got up to throughout the day. I'm heading off out later with some mates for the Forge Radio Social. Until then, I'll see you soon. Bye.